guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make a budget-friendly breakfast. Oh my goodness, prices are rising, so I thought I'd throw in some extra budget-friendly breakfast, lunch, and dinners for you guys. So this is one, it's quick, it's easy, it's sausage, egg, and cheese scramble, and it is amazingly delicious. Oh my goodness. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. And speaking of recipes, if you want to receive monthly free exclusive recipes, go over there and sign up. I also send out email notifications every time I drop a video, so you'll always be notified. It's cookingatpamsplace.com, and I'll leave a link directly to that website, my website, at the end of this video as well as in the description. Okay, enough chatting. Let's go ahead and get this easy, budget-friendly scramble made. All right, we are back to make this sausage, egg, and cheese scramble. Well, we've got some sausage. I am just using bulk sausage. This is actually a hot bulk sausage. You can use regular sage. You can even use sausage links in this. You pretty much do it the same way, and as I cook the sausage, I'll mention those links in case you want to use those as well. You can use any cheese you want. I have some shredded cheddar cheese here as well as a little pepper jack, just because I like the heat. I've got a regular onion, and I'm going to slice that up in just a minute, a couple of slices. And I also have a green and purple scallion here that I'm going to use for garnish. We have our eggs, we have our heavy cream. You'll need a little butter and oil for cooking your eggs because your sausage is going to fry up. I use a little bacon grease with my sausage as well. So first things first, let's get our onion chopped up. After we do that, you guys get to meet me at the stove. Now I'm just going to slice off a couple of slices of onion and dice that up. I am making just enough for about maybe 1.5 servings because it's just for myself. But I will leave the recipe in the description for a full 4 to 6 servings of this wonderful sausage, egg, and cheese scramble. So you just want to get your onions diced up. We will be sauteing that with our sausage. Set this aside. Now these scallions, one is from a purple onion, one is from a green onion. I'm just going to chop some of this up just to use as garnish in the end. All right, our skillet is heating up, and I have some reserved bacon grease that I'm going to put in my skillet just to give my sausage a head start. Go ahead, put your sausage in, and as it starts to cook, we will crumble it up. We are starting to cook now, so you just want to go in and with your fork or wooden spoon, as I'm using, just go ahead and make sure it's crumbled. So just keep mashing it up until it's all in crumbles. Now, if you're using sausage links, you just want to go ahead and cook your sausage links as you normally would, and then take them out and cut them up into bite-sized pieces. So I chose to use bulk sausage today, so we have to crumble it up. Okay, so at this point, our sausage is about halfway done. So we're going to go in with our onions. If you are using sausage links, if they are pre-cooked, put your onions in at the same time you start your sausage links. If not, cook your sausages, and when they are just about done, go ahead and add in your onions. Stir that around just until the onions cook and the meat finishes browning. All right, while our sausage is cooking, we want to go ahead and get our eggs beat up really well, along with our heavy cream. You can use half and half. You can also use milk. All right, we are going to set this egg mixture aside and go ahead and get our sausage out and get it drained. Okay, our sausage is nice and brown. It is smelling amazing. Oh my goodness. So we want to get it out, set it aside. Take it out with a slotted spoon or something so you won't catch all that oil. And we're just going to sit this aside and get our eggs done. So I am waiting for my skillet to heat up, and while I do, I am going to go in with just a little hot sauce in my eggs simply because I just like the heat. This is absolutely optional. Okay, now we're going to go in with about a tablespoon and a half of butter and some olive oil. And again, I will have all the ingredients down in the description. You want to cook them until they're just nice, soft, and fluffy. If you like hard eggs, you can go ahead and cook them until they're hard. And I like my other spatula for this. I like a stainless steel skillet and a stainless steel spatula for my eggs. Just want to push them into the center. If you really want to know how to make fluffy scrambled eggs, I have that video up as well, and I'll link that at the end of this video as well so that you can see exactly how to make nice fluffy scrambled eggs, because this is what we're doing right now. Once it starts cooking like this, you want to go in and add your cheese. Now here you can add as much cheese as you like, or any kind of cheese that you like as well. I like lots of cheese, as you can see. And this smells absolutely amazingly delicious. Oh my goodness. And once you're almost done with your eggs, we're going to go in and add our sausage and mix that in with it. So this is about right where you want it to be. Go ahead, add your sausage in. Sausage and onions, and mix that in. Then we're going to go over and plate it and have a taste test. So I'll see you guys back at my counter. Okay, we are all done. Doesn't this look amazing? And you guys saw how easy and simple it was. Now I'm going to go in with a few of my scallions. Put those on here and there. I don't need a lot. Just want to add a little color in there. Just a little color. All right. Now we're going to do a taste test. Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me. Oh my goodness. Meet me at the counter. Okay guys, we are all done. Look at this. Doesn't it look amazing? Talking about budget friendly sausage, eggs, and cheese. Come on now, you don't have to use a lot of it. This is more than a serving, but okay, maybe I'll split it in half. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and taste it. Yes, you want to get a little bit of everything in there. And the sausage was perfect. If you notice, I added no salt, I added no pepper, but I did add a little hot sauce to my eggs, and I am using a hot flavored sausage. But oh my goodness, if you pick the right sausage, you don't need anything else. Nothing else but a fork. Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you could give the video a thumbs up, that would warm my heart, and share it out. let everybody you know that Pam over here at Cooking at Pam's Place is making up easy, simple, made from scratch, budget-friendly meals, along with a bunch of other stuff. And don't forget, if you want exclusive recipes and to be notified right when I drop a video so you can be the first one there, head on over to cookingatpamsplace.com. Sign up for the free email list, and I'll be sure to include you. Oh, and when you do sign up for the email list, please remember to go over to your email and confirm your subscription so that you will get the notifications. All right, guys, until next time. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. The good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise. Delicious.